Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 10 Maths tutorial. Today I am going to solve ICSE 2024 examination specimen question paper, Mathematics. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूँ. शायर कहता है, लगूंगा खुश मगर नाराज हूँ मैं, लगूंगा खुश मगर नाराज हूँ मैं, जमाने का नया अंदाज हूँ मैं, जमाने का नया अंदाज हूँ मैं, बहुत खुश हूँ तुम्हें खुश देख कर मैं, बहुत खुश हूँ तुम्हें खुश देख कर मैं, ये गम भी है नजर अंदाज हूँ मैं, ये गम भी है नजर अंदाज हूँ मैं, नई धुन पर बजाया जा रहा हूँ, नई धुन पर बजाया जा रहा हूँ, पुराने दौर का एक साज हूँ मैं, पुराने दौर का एक साज हूँ मैं, मुझे दुश्मन समझना है समझ लो, मुझे दुश्मन समझना है समझ लो, मुझे दुश्मन समझना है समझ लो, तुम्हारा दोस्त हूँ दमसाज हूँ मैं, तुम्हारा दोस्त हूँ दमसाज हूँ मैं, लगूंगा खुश मगर नाराज हूँ मैं. Thank you. Let's start. First question. Now, how many questions are there? And the marks distribution. In detail, you can watch my video for 2023 specimen question paper. Same pattern. Question number 1 for 15 marks, MCQ, 15 questions, 15 marks in question number 1. Each sub-question carries 1 mark, MCQs. Question number 1, I have taken first 5 MCQs. Out of 15, first 5 I have taken for today. And the first MCQ, first question is, if A is equal to -1, 2, B is equal to 1, -2, 0, 3, which of the following operation is possible? A minus B, B, A plus B, C, AB, and D, BA. This is the question. Alright. A is given -1, 2, B is given 1, -2, 0, and 3. We have to find out which option is correct. The first option is A minus B, and the second one is A plus B. Means first one is subtraction and the second one is addition. And we know that two matrices can be added or subtracted if they are of the same order. The order should be the same. Now let's see if the orders are same or not in this case. The order of the matrix A is 1 by 2. 1 row and 2 column. 1 by 2. The order is 1 by 2. The order of A is 1 by 2. matrix A and the order is 1 by 2. And that of matrix B, the order of matrix B, the order of matrix B is how much? 2 by 2. 2 rows and 2 columns. 2 rows and 2 columns. Alright. So we can see that the orders are not same. So neither subtraction nor addition is possible. So we rule out the first two options. A and B we rule out. Now C option AB answer and D option B answer. Now which one is correct? AB or BA? So C option is AB. Let's see if AB is possible or not. AB. Now when can we multiply two matrices? When is the multiplication of two matrices possible? It is possible we can multiply two matrices if the number of column of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. I'm not saying A and B, I'm saying the first matrix and the second matrix. Fortunately here, A is the first matrix and B is the second matrix. Alright? So the number of column and the number of rows, they are same, 2 and 2. So the product is possible. AB is possible. Alright. So our answer is then C option and AB. Option C, AB is correct. Now either you write down option C or you write down AB or you write down both. Some of the students, they write both. Either of the ways is correct. Now you decide which one is better. Alright. Now if you want to know why is BA not possible, so that also I tell you, please understand the concept, you should understand why BA is not possible. As I told you, the product of two matrices is possible if the number of columns of the first matrix is equal to the number of rows of the second matrix. Now in this case, the number of column, if you talk about B, so the number of column of the first matrix, now B is the first matrix because we are talking about BA. So the number of column of the first matrix and the number of rows of the second matrix, they are not equal, and so the product is not possible. We cannot multiply. So BA is not possible only. Alright. Fine. Clear. अब यहाँ पे फॉर्चुनेटली ए बी पहले आया है तो आपने ए बी को देखा और ए बी करेक्ट आ गया. अगर मान लीजिए कि पहले बी ए होता तो आपको इस तरह से सोचना पड़ता इफ बी ए इज पॉसिबल और नॉट, और तब आप उसको रूल आउट करते तब फिर आप पहुंचते लास्ट ऑप्शन पे. लेकिन फॉर्चुनेटली यहाँ पहले ही ए बी दिया हुआ है, ऑप्शन ए बी इज गिवन एंड दैट ऑप्शन इज करेक्ट. सो आंसर इज सी, ए बी. ऑलराइट, नाउ सेकंड क्वेश्चन. And the question is, if x square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x minus 2 into x minus 3 for all values of x, then find the value of k, or then the value of k is a minus 5, b minus 3, c minus 2, d 5. Alright, these are the options. Let's see what could be the value of k. This is given. X square plus kx plus 6 is equal to x minus 2 into x minus 3 given. We are multiplying, and this multiplication we have done, we have seen this in ICSE class 9, class 9. In ICSE class 9. Alright. So x square, then minus 3x, and minus 2x means minus pi x, and then plus 6. Alright? So we are getting x squared minus pi x plus 6. I hope you know how to multiply it. Alright. Now this is equal to this. So we can, two equations are equal, so we can equate the coefficient of the corresponding terms. For example, here the coefficient, we can equate the coefficient of x square, we can equate the coefficient of x, we can equate the constant term. Here, we are directly going to equate the coefficient of x because we want k, and the k is the coefficient of x. So we are directly going to equate the coefficient of x on both the sides. Here the coefficient of x is k, and here the coefficient of x is minus pi. So k is equal to minus pi. You can write down k is equal to minus pi. K is equal to minus pi, or simply minus pi. Alright, so option A is correct. K is equal to minus pi, or simply minus pi. Fine. Clear? Now, third question, and the question is, a retailer purchased an item for rupees 1,500 from a wholesaler and sells it to a customer at 10% profit. The sales are intra-state and the rate of GST is 10%. The amount of GST paid by the customer is A, rupees 15, B, rupees 30, C, rupees 150, and D, rupees 165. Which one is correct? We have to find out. Alright, so let's see. Let's see which one is the correct answer. Fine. Now first, let's find out profit. So profit is equal to profit. If I write in short P, profit, so that is equal to profit is equal to, they're not principal, profit, in short I am doing, profit is equal to 10% of 1,500, 10% of 1,500. So 2 zeros and 2 zeros cancel, and we get 150. This is the profit. 150 rupees is the profit. Now CP for customer. CP for customer. CP, cost price. CP for customer is how much? 1,500 plus this 150 profit, and this gives you 1650. 1650 rupees. 1650. CP for the customer is equal to, CP for the customer is equal to 1650 rupees. Now GST paid by the customer. GST paid by the customer. You can write down GST paid by the customer. So I am writing in short GST. GST. GST paid by the customer is how much? 10%. 10% of 1650. 10% of 1650. So 1010. Second zero. 165 is remaining. 165 rupees. ₹165. Alright, so the very simple calculation. The knowledge of percentage. Option D is correct. Option D, which is 165 rupees, is the correct answer. Now, fourth question, and the question is, if the roots of equation x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0 are real and distinct, then the value of k is A, greater than minus 9, B, greater than minus 6, C, less than 6, and D, less than 9. Alright, so the question is, quadratic equation is given x square minus 6x plus k, and it is given that the roots are real and distinct. The conditions are there: real and distinct, real and equal, and then imaginary. So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, is equal to 0, or less than 0. In the case of real and distinct, the condition is the discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Alright, the three conditions you know. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, the roots are real and distinct. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, the roots are real and equal. And the third one is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, the roots are imaginary. Alright. So let us find out b square minus 4ac, and let us say if it is greater than 0. No, we have to apply the condition, no, because it has been mentioned. It is said in the question that the roots are real and distinct. That means b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. So let's apply that condition. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. If you compare this equation, x square minus 6x plus k is equal to 0. If you compare this with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, you will see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to k, isn't it? A is equal to minus 1, you will get a is equal to minus 1, a is equal to minus 1, a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 6, b is equal to minus 6, and c is equal to k. If you compare the given quadratic equation with the standard quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now apply the condition b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. b square minus 4ac, this is discriminant, right? So b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Alright. Now b means minus 6. So minus 6 square. Can I write down directly 36? 36. Alright. Because we are doing MCQ. So 36 b square minus 4 ac 1 in case. So 4k is greater than 0. Alright. So 4k you can take that side. So 4k is less than 36. 4k is less than 36. 4k is less than 36. Therefore k is less than 9. K is less than 9. So option D is less than 9. K is less than 9. This is the correct answer. Either you write down D, or you write down k is less than 9, or you write down both, like I have written D, k is less than 9. It is up to you. You decide which one is better. Fine. Okay. Now the fifth question is, which of the following is an arithmetic progression AP, and three series are given, three progressions are given, 1, 2, and 3. So first is 1, 4, which of the following is an arithmetic progression? The first one is 1, 4, 9, 16. 1, 4, 9, and 16. Dash. Second is root 3, 2 root 3, 3 root 3. Root 3, 2 2 root 3, 3 root 3, and so on. 4 root 3 I am not writing, you can write down. And the third one is 8, 6, 4, 2. 8, 6, 4, 2. We have to find out which of the following, right? Which series, this one, this series, or this series, or this series. Which one is an arithmetic progression? And you know, in arithmetic progression, how do we define arithmetic progression? The difference between any two consecutive terms is a constant. Any two consecutive terms. Alright. That means the difference between this and this, or the difference between 4 and 9, or the difference between 9 and 16. Every time you should get a constant term. Whether it is 4 minus 1, or 9 minus 4, or 6 minus 9. Every time. If you are getting a constant term, that means it is an arithmetic progression. Alright. So 4 minus 1 is how much? 3. 4 minus 1 is how much? 3, right? And 9 minus 4 is 5. And 16 minus 9 is 7. Are we getting constant? No. We are getting 3, we are getting 5, we are getting 7. We are not getting a constant term. So that means this is not an arithmetic progression. Now let's say this. The difference between the two. 2 root 3 minus root 3. So 2 root 3 minus root 3 is root 3. Again 3 root 3 minus 2 root 3 is again root 3. And one more is given 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 minus 3 root 3 is again root 3. So every time the difference between any two consecutive terms is root 3, which is a constant. So this is NAP. This is NAP. Alright. Now let's see this. Difference between any two consecutive terms. 6 minus 8. 6 minus 8. Right? 6 minus 8. How much are you getting? 6 minus 8? Minus 2. Then 4 minus 6. How much are you getting? Again minus 2. Then 2 minus 4. How much are you getting? Again minus 2. So every time you are getting minus 2, a constant term. A constant quantity, right? So therefore this is an AP. That means second and third, they are arithmetic progressions. Fine. So the answer is option is A, only one, no, that wrong. B, only two, no, wrong. C, only 2 and 3. So C, 2 and 3 is the correct answer, because both 2 and 3, they are the arithmetic progression. Fine, clear? I hope everything is very, very clear. I'll try to solve the entire specimen question paper, all the questions. First I have taken first 5 questions, then another 5 questions, then another 5 questions. In this way I'll complete the first MCQ for 15 marks, then I'll go for question number 2, question number 3, and then this is section A, and then section B also. I'll try to solve. Okay then, I hope everything is very, very clear. Okay, then thank you so much. Thanks.